Step wide, bend your front knee, reach back with one arm and gaze up. Feel your strength and grace. Hold the pose here. Feel a deep side body stretch, open your hips, and strengthen your legs while improving your balance and focus. Now gently switch sides, extending the opposite arm up and back. Sink into the stretch. Hold here. Feel the gentle stretch across your side body. This pose improves balance, boosts stamina, and enhances body awareness. Slowly return to center, grounding your feet. Take a moment to breathe and get ready for the next stretch. Lie on your back and lift your legs up. Let your arms rest by your sides, breathing slowly and calmly. Hold here. This gentle inversion helps reduce swelling in the feet, improves circulation, and calms the nervous system, perfect for winding down. Now slowly bend your knees and roll to one side to return back. Get ready for the next pose. Lie on your back, bend your knees, feet hip-width apart. Lift your hips, engage your core, and hold the bridge pose. Hold here. This pose strengthens the back, improves posture, and opens the chest and hips. Slowly lower your hips down. Breathe out and relax. Get ready for the next pose. Come to your knees, sit back on your heels, fold forward, and stretch your arms out in front. This is child's pose. This pose releases lower back tension and deeply calms the nervous system. This completes today's session. Take a moment to relax, breathe deeply, and feel the rejuvenation from your practice. Do not forget to hydrate your body regularly. If this practice brought you ease, do like and subscribe for more, and check the pinned comment for more sessions curated just for you. Bye for now.